Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a great day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. If you like making money, subscribe to the channel. It's a financial education channel. We talk a lot about commodities. Today we're going to talk about a uranium update. And uranium is one of my favorite commodities. It is extremely cheap on a ratio basis in relationship to gold. It is an anomaly. It's never been as cheap as it is today. It's around 60 to 1. So we're going to look at technical analysis of the companies that could be potential investments and look at the charting of it. Because uranium is not only cheap, it is showing very good strength price-wise. So let's look at uranium here. I'm going to give an update. It's technical analysis. We're looking for flag consolidation patterns. I am seeing these everywhere. And again, overall, the sector looks strong. It's exhibiting a lot of good, strong, we'll call it momentum now. And I'm going to call it cheetah strong. And the reason I say it's cheetah strong is that the market puts on psychological containments for price. That is what a pattern is. You get reversal patterns. So what's going up, it reverses to go back down, reverses to go back up. These patterns, when they have these reversals, form a psychological containment on price. When that containment is broken, it's like a cheetah being released to the wild who is very fast and will run for a very long time at a very quick pace. Price is going to break that psychological containment and move on up at a very fast rate. So that's what I'm looking for, are when these chart patterns are breaking, what they're forming. And sometimes they take time to develop and time to kind of chart out and see them. Today, we're going to be looking at all those patterns right here, right now, and show you how strong uranium really is. So this is URNM. I'm just going to start with the mining ETF. We've got this channel going up here. We broke this downtrend line right here to the upside, and we're going to probably take a run at this upper channel here. That's what's next. UEC has this, I drew this in here, this consolidating of, it's not really consolidating, but it's compressing up. And you can see that this move is compressing, and there's going to be a large release of energy. When these things compress up, it's like compacting up a ball of snow that you're about to throw. And what we're seeing is that we're seeing the compaction of the ball in your hands. And it's like, man, someone's going to throw this ball. This is what's going to happen here. It's compacting. It's like a spring coiling up, and that energy is about to be released. And right here, we're breaking to the upside of this. Will this backtest? No idea. But now's the time. If you guys like this stuff, I would be buying into this strength. That's what I would be doing. Remember, I can't give financial advice. I can only tell you what I would be doing. This looks pretty compelling to me in terms of strength. Now here's UU. We're getting a little bit, let me see here. We did break this downtrend, little downtrend here to the upside. So this is looking pretty good. I bet you it finished probably a little bit stronger than this too. We do have a lot of people buying and just buying this stuff up left and right compared to history back here. So this looks absolutely excellent. It's very strong. Here's URG. It's putting in a pennant formation, kind of a triangle formation where it's coiling up before it's going to go somewhere very quick. I am hoping that we get a couple of down days here where it comes back down to this lower level here so I can buy something. Because I want to buy some more, and I've got some money tied up right now that I want to release. So hopefully it comes back. Here's another pattern that broke to the upside. Big move higher. So this is looking fantastic on a short-term basis. Lots of people accumulating it. Lots of strength here. GoviX, I hope some of these pull back. I want them. This has the momentum coming down. I hope it comes back down. I'd like to buy more. That's why I want it to come back down. Laramide, same sort of coiling of a spring to the upside. This one's probably a decent one to look at if you like Laramide resources. There's Global Atomic. This guy already broke its pattern here, and it's just moving on up and up and up and up and up. That's looking pretty good. Here's deep yellow. You're seeing this action coiling up here. I just kind of overlaid it. This is kind of wave 1 down, wave 2 down, and I think we're going to break soon. Because usually it's got a couple of waves coming up, sideways, and then it kind of peaks out, does a couple of waves sideways, and then I think it's going to break to the upside. But this one's looking pretty good. Encore Energy, you can see these consolidation areas where it just keeps breaking it, and it's going to break it right here as well to the upside. This would be a good one if you like Encore Energy, buying into strength out of the consolidation pattern here. Bannerman's in it's making a flag pattern here. Here's the pole, the flag. We're at the bottom side, so that's not a bad spot to be looking at purchasing, I think, for myself. Blue Sky Uranium, looked like we broke to the upside, had a little bloody nose. I like this right here. Pure Point Uranium Group, this is a Canadian exploration company. We're coming on up. This thing's going to explode higher at some point, very, very soon, I think. Pure Point. Centrus Energy Corp. This guy's in a pattern. It's just chopping out sideways, coiling up like a spring, wants to explode higher. So that's looking good. Sky Harbor already broke to the upside, back tested, and is probably launching higher. I think it even went way up more than this today, but this is looking fantastic. Hopefully you guys got in. Standard Uranium, exhibiting the same characteristics of this coiling up. Just popped out a little bit, doing a little turtle head, peeking out, saying, hey, what's up? You guys should be buying me. That's what I would do. It's not advice. Base load, holy, this is a mother of pennants. Big coiling up, big 15% up day. This thing's going to explode higher. Explosions are going to happen, guys. Here's Denison Mines breaking out to the upside. Forces Metals already broke to the upside. That thing is gone. I mean, this is like a Supra turbo graph here where kind of gets in here, had a little bit of lag, and then boof, gone. This is Next Gen Energy, right at the top of this big pattern. Guys, these patterns are showing up for a reason. They're about to break. All these are about to break. I mean, this is this is quite substantial. Fission Uranium, this one looks good, about to break to the upside. This is going to be big. This all started from this nice big bullish engulfing and the breaking of the downtrend here. Right here would have been perfect to buy. Then you just hold on. Just hold on. Light Bridge, another one that's coiling up. Maybe we come back down here. That'd be a nice one to look at. Down at 550, 575. And then Appia Energy broke to the upside of its flag pattern, looking strong as heck. Nice big bullish engulfing there. You can just see this thing stepping up. Very strong. These charts look absolutely insanely good. So overall, looking at these charts and all the years that I've traded, they look uber strong. And you're seeing the big candlesticks up. They're popping up, and then the pullbacks are nice, controlled, tight little pullbacks. That is a signature trait of wanting to go higher. That is ultra bullish. I see no large down candlesticks. There's no dominance of them anywhere in any of the charts. So what I'm seeing is a lot of strength, a lot of moves to the upside is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing chart patterns break. Some are still in their patterns. So I think it's just a matter of time here. This next week, we could see fireworks where this just keeps going. Overall, we are seeing the dollar pull back. I was looking at that today. Dollar pulling back is going to be, fuel for these guys to push on forward. We're seeing other sectors also pull up. Basically, a lot of the mining sectors, if you looked at kind of the diversified miners, copper, they were doing quite well. And oil is under pressure. That one for surely has pulled back. So these guys are safe in my portfolio because I'm heavily invested in oil as well. So uranium, to me, I'd be a buyer here. I'd be a buyer on all sorts of stuff. Buy into this strength, it's going to go. And I think it's probably going to be a pretty long move. So that's what I would do. Again, I can't give financial advice. You guys have to make your own decisions on what's right for your portfolio. I would be looking at particularly some of these exploration companies. They seem to be lagging in respect to some of the other ones that have already taken off, which are more developer companies. That's kind of what I've seen. So hopefully you guys like this content. Give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments below on what you guys think. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.